Firstly, good afternoon, everyone. Hello, and thank you so much for coming and supporting us. And traveling is something. The moment that word travel comes to my head, second thing comes, okay, I'll get a break from work because I think not only actors, I think everyone has a busy schedule in Bombay, and it's known as the city of dreams. So while fulfilling your dreams, while running behind them, you tend to forget that you belong to the mankind. You working like machines, and I think travel is a must for everyone, not only me or not only you, because it gives you firstly you rejuvenate. It gives you a good break from your work, and most importantly, it gives you some quality time to spend with your family and friends.
I can imagine that's the priority for somebody as busy as you and somebody who is in an industry which is extremely, I believe, chaotic and is very, very demanding, which I have heard. So tell me, which is a place that you feel like going to immediately if you had some time right now?
See, for me, a 2 day break is fantastic. It's like heaven because the kind of schedules I have, the kind of schedules Vabi has. So for us, 2 day break, the closest is Pune. Vabi is home now. So we just drive down to Pune. It's 3 hours, 4 hours of travel, and we have a good break for 2 days. Come back and then resume work.
That sounds great. You can just drive down and you don't have to think and you can just get away.
You don't have to book tickets. You don't have to go through the whole chaos of booking hotels. It's just the closest and the shortest route one can ever take.
Fantastic. So if you had an option of driving and flying and cruising, what would your choice be? Boat, a car, and an aircraft.
I think I'd prefer a boat, and because I'm more of a water person,
Okay.
and I love being close to the water. So I prefer a boat
Fantastic.
or a jet ski rather.
Ah, I like that. He's a man of speed. So while we were chatting a day before, you said you wanted to go to Kerala. So why? Because Vivian was on our south cover. I asked him if he chose one destination in the south, what did it be? He said Kerala. So what excites you in Kerala?
I think all the pictures, what I have seen, what Bobby has seen, we find it very beautiful, and it's beautiful, and it's like a lot of places in India. There are a lot of good places to visit, but they are wearing out with time.
Yeah.
And Kerala backwaters, they still look very fresh, as if they just started the day before.
Wow.
So I think the next trip we're planning is Kerala, and definitely I'm taking Vavis to the backwaters.
Wonderful, and that's one of the most romantic experiences ever. Ask me, it's beautiful.
I know, and I love to go to places which are romantic, which are very by the beach or by the water. I think that excites me more than anything else.
Sounds wonderful. So, tell me if you were asked to choose something else besides being an actor, what would you want?
I think to be very honest, I became an actor just by chance. I never wanted to become an actor. I was supposed to become a footballer, since India does not have much scope for football, and I still play football. I play thrice a week.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
So I have not let the footballer go out of my body. He's still there inside somewhere, close to my heart. And my love for football is actually more than my love for acting. But since I started acting, I learned how to act at my job. So I think it's become my passion now. So now I can't live without acting and playing football both.
That's quite a killer combo. And well, I don't know if you've seen the latest Let's Football campaign. It's wonderful that football is coming to the fore in a country which is so cricket crazy.
Of course, I've heard of it that the new campaign which is starting in India, and I had a word with someone, so I'll also put in my hands onto that soon.
Fantastic. That sounds really, really wonderful. So what I'm going to now read a couple of messages we had asked fans of Vivin to sort of send us some mails on him. People who bought this issue of Travel Plus largely because of him. Very excited, and we got.
ये सब मुझे पकड़ना पड़ेगा अच्छा तू कौन कौन से पकड़ेगा
चलिए सब एक चालू है बाकी सब बंद है
So Vivan, you are looking absolutely great.
विवियन
Vivian, so you're looking absolutely great.
थैंक यू
And how it feels to be on the cover page of the Travel Plus?
It feels great and I think it's a larger than life because आप usually जब एक ट्रैवल मैगजीन के बारे में सोचते हैं तो आप या तो ये सोचते हैं कि वो एक कवर पे एक सीनिक सा व्यू होगा या कोई बीच का व्यू होगा या केरला के बैक वाटर्स का व्यू होगा स्पेशली व्हेन इट्स साउथ एडिशन आप ये नहीं सोचते हैं कि कोई एक एक्टर होगा ट्रैवल मैगजीन पे अलॉन्ग विद द लोकेशन सो आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी डिफरेंट एंड इट वाज अ लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस बिकॉज आई वाज नॉट शूटिंग आई वाज रिलैक्सिंग व्हाइल आई वाज शूटिंग सो आई थिंक जो हमारे फोटोग्राफर भी हैं नितिन उन्होंने जब शूट किया तो नितिन ने मुझसे कहा यू जस्ट रिलैक्स यू डू वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू एंड आई शूट आई सेड ओके बहुत ही रिलैक्स शूट रहा और बहुत मज़ा आया इट वाज अ गुड फीलिंग
Okay, you must have been to a lot of places while for shooting and all that. Which
Yeah,
has
yeah.
been your most desired one? Or
I think my most memorable is Maldives. I can actually go and settle there if my wife and my family allows me to. और सबको लेके चला जाऊँगा because I'm in love with Maldives and now I've decided that every year or every 1.5 year I'll at least go once to Maldives and have a visit to one of the islands. बिकॉज वहाँ का पहली बात तो जो पानी है वो इतना क्लियर है कि आप पानी के 10 फीट ऊपर खड़े होकर भी मछली देख सकते हैं सो आई थिंक इट्स एंड द अंडर वाटर इट्स अ डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड इट्स हेवन
okay, for different occasions like honeymoon की बात करें या और घूमने की बात करें तो for different occasions के लिए आप किस टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन को सजेस्ट
आई थिंक फॉर अ शॉर्ट गेट अवे गोवा इज़ द बेस्ट बिकॉज यहाँ से फ्लाइट है 1 hour एंड यू रीच क्विकली एंड यू कैन गो स्पेंड 2-3 days and come back. For us, Vabis and me, Pune, because Vabis' family lives there, and we have a good time in Pune. We eat very delicious home-cooked food, which my mother-in-law makes for us. And हम सारे दोस्त लोग इनफैक्ट कितनी बार जाते हैं we make a quick get we just drive down quickly 4-5 लोग मिलके पूना चले जाते हैं घर पे चिल करते हैं and we stay there for a weekend and come back and start working again.
So which was your first like tourist place or tourist destination which you visited while you were in school or college?
I was in military school and the first place I went to was I was very small here. I was in class 7th.
Out of India or like?
No, it was in India. It was in India. I was in military school. I think they took us to Karnataka, and there are a lot of places where we went, especially the huge mall I remember, which is there in Bangalore, which has a huge Shivji ki pratima right in front, and the mall is right behind. So I think apart from that also, if I think I can recollect, but it's it's been a lifetime experience while traveling because it gives you a good break. It rejuvenates you and makes you fresh to get back to work.
Okay, just talking about this particular issue. This is about southern
Yeah.
locations and all.
Yeah.
So how how different and how
See,
what
like,
it is
see, like,
apart from the other parts of India, like
see, like, you know, they say India is the only country जहाँ पे हर 10 किलोमीटर पे पानी का टेस्ट चेंज होता है, लैंग्वेज चेंज होती है और the delicacy changes. So that's how South is. You know, South is a part of India. And South में काफ़ी सारी जगह हैं where you can go, you can travel, you can have a good time with friends and family, you can have a good time with your beloved. So especially Wabis and me, we are planning next is Kerala backwaters because it's very gorgeous. It's very untouched and very beautiful.
apart from this, what's happening at the professional front? Like what are the
As of now, I'm on a break, and as now everyone's got to know that I'm jobless, so someone or the other will give me a job. Thank you very much.